and now return to Underdog on GoMe TV at GoAnimate City.
Officer, arrest that wolf.
Oh shit, I'm going to jail.
You damn right you're going to jail. You are under arrest for robbing the bank. Put your hands behind your back.
Please, officer, give me a second chance.
Too bad, so sad. You're staying in prison in 20 years.
Welp, my life sucks now.
You should be ashamed of yourself, riffraff. You better not escape from prison.
20 years. This is so unfair.
Well, at least Riffraff was stayed in prison in 20 years.
I agree with you, honey. I hope he admit his wrongdoing someday.
I'll get it, my beautiful wife. May I help you? And who are you? Miss Mouth, is that really you? I don't know if I remember you or not.
Ugh, another day in boring school. Time another boring math lesson. Oh my god, you scared shit out of me. Who are you anyway, really? Well, yeah. It is boring and it's hard. Hello, Miss Mouth. My name is Harry. Alright, I understand, Miss Mouth. I was an 8th grader. I was the first high school since the school years 1978 and 1979. What grade are you in? That's cool. It was very nice to meet you, Miss Mouth.
Oh my god. I knew it was Miss Mouth. I remember you meet me at the high school in 1978 when I was an 8th grader. Of course I do remember you now. It was so great to see you. Say, you want to come in my house? All right, please come in. Tiffany, I would like to meet Miss Mouth. She was a 9th grader when I was an 8th grader at high school in 1978.
Wow. She is so gorgeous.
I know, right?
Yes. But how old are you in 1978?
I was 15 years old since I was met Miss Mouth, and I was a first time being as high school student.
That's pretty neat. Right now you're 60-year-old the big wolf.
That's right. Miss Mouth, you want to see our pictures? Okay, let's show you a first picture. That's me. I was at class of 1980 to graduation. Thank you. Moving on. That's me and my wife. We're married since June 17th, 1993. I know, right. After the wedding, we went to Disneyland for honeymoon. Here's me and my wife at Disneyland for a honeymoon in 1993. Oh, don't worry. I have a guest bedroom downstairs next door in my basement. I have a bed for you, but are you hungry? We'll feed you something. No problem. I'll send you downstairs and you'll get some good nap. Sleep well, Miss Mouth. I'll see you upstairs when you wake up.